Hey, so I just saw a comment on my YouTube channel. So one guy which asking how to link Facebook page to a Facebook group. So this is actually very simple. Uh, you have to log into your Facebook account, and I'm gonna go to my page, which is now Peak Minute. Peak Minute. I have I had to change another one. That's because for obvious reasons. You know why if you watched my video? So you basically have to go to the group section and that's it. You can link your group. And here it is the same group which I have linked with another page. So if I press link, I can link that group now. So simple. I hope that helps. Cheers, mate.